Welcome to this Meaco product video for the Meaco 20L Low Energy Dehumidifier. If you're looking for a dehumidifier for a 3 to 5 bedroom home, or you simply just want to buy the very best, then watch on because this could be the product video for you. This is the dehumidifier from our exclusive Platinum range that's winning all the awards. Twice winner of the Which Best Buy, and for 2 years running top of the Which table Best Buy dehumidifiers, as well as winning other international awards and getting great independent reviews. Why is everyone so excited about this machine? It all comes from the low energy. Just 255 watts for that 20 litre extraction. That really is phenomenal and sets a benchmark for the industry to try and keep up with. In order to get to that very low energy usage that keeps your electricity bill down, we've had to use the finest components inside and the best technology. This is a compressor dehumidifier. The air comes into the machine across the filter and comes out of the top of the louver about 2 degrees C warmer than the air that went in. So it's not going to have a particularly strong warming effect on the room that it's in, but what you're going to find within that room is that the air is going to be drier. You'll probably find that A, you turn your thermostat down on your heating within that room, and B, you're actually saving money overall from that combined effect. Now, one of the most common questions that we get asked by customers is, what happens when the dehumidifier tank goes full? Will it stop or will it overflow and spill water all over my carpet? Well, on all Meaco dehumidifiers, they stop. When the machine is full of water, the little float that sits here within the tank gets to the top, turns the machine off. You then, I've got this nice handle to carry the tank with. It's got a cover so you're not going to spill anything, and all you've got to do is pour the water away. And the more water you pour away, the more money you're saving. This machine has also got auto restart. That's useful if you're going to be using it in a lower temperature application, and the performance of this machine is still very good at low temperature, as verified within the Which review. So if you're using it to look after your caravan, your classic car, your boat, your holiday home, the machine, if there is a power cut, when the power comes back on, it will turn itself back on and it will reset itself back to the settings that you left it on. Those settings are controlled here on the control panel. You've got your on-off button, turn the louver on and off, your controls for your humidistat setting, an off timer, and then your fan speed selection. All the time the display is going to show you what the room relative humidity is, so you're always in control. And then if you are leaving it on continuous drainage, this is done so just by inserting a hose into the back of the machine just by here. Now, in order to get many years really good service out your dehumidifier, all you've got to do, keep the filter clean. Just give this a hoover at least once every 2 weeks. One of the big reasons why people love this low energy range is the option of the HEPA filter. This is a true HEPA filter made to international standards. So if anyone in your family is suffering from asthma, allergies, they're allergic to things like dust mites, pollen, this will help keep the air clean for them. You just pop it, comes in a pack of 3, into the back of the machine like that, and all the air that comes into the machine is cleaned by this filter. The Meaco 20L Low Energy Dehumidifier. If you ever have any problems with any Meaco product, then just come straight back to us as we're the manufacturer, and we'll be delighted to look after you. Thank you for choosing Meaco.